Hey everybody, Dominoes 7 here. All right. So anyway, y'all, everything is going good so far. I'm super excited about Megan being on a Dominoes 7 show this Saturday. Okay. So I can hardly wait for Megan to come on a Dominoes 7 show. Okay. Yep. It's gonna be terrific and wonderful. Okay. But tomorrow I gotta go buy some batteries for my camera and buy some Cascade for my dishwasher. Okay. Yep. Dishwasher's good and packed. Okay. So tomorrow when I wake up, I'm a clean the toilets in the downstairs bathroom. Okay. So got a lot to do in this house tomorrow. Okay. But I gotta go get some stuff for the dishwasher. Okay. All right, so I might do a YouTube live while I'm in bed or whatever. Okay, so actually I'm gonna be interviewing Megan in the living room. Okay, I'm gonna use my digital camera, not that black camera or this red camera, the other camera. Okay, all right, so I'll put that camera on a on a dresser or whatever. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, put that on a dresser and stuff like that. Okay, the dresser downstairs. I know some people would say a dresser don't belong in the or should I say a chest of drawer. Chest of drawer don't belong in the uh in the kitchen or in the living room or whatever. Well, this is the Domino 7 house. Okay, this is the Domino 7 house. I could put anywhere, whatever I want to put anywhere. I'll use that as a file cabinet or whatever, or storage of some sort. You know, that's all y'all should know. Okay. All right. So actually, I did invite Megan in this house Saturday that just passed. Okay. So anyway, sometimes I see Megan swinging on a swing at the park. Okay. So yes, I'm very happy about having Megan on the show. Because Domino love Megan. Okay, I love Megan. Okay, I mean I was almost attracted to the girl though, but a little attracted to her. So I can't tell y'all what she looked like until she be on the show. Okay, so that'll be a surprise. Okay, I wish I could have started my show in 2008. I started being more popular in New Iberia. Okay, so if y'all been watching my shows since day one or since year one and stuff like that. I remember I told some people I don't be knowing who the hell I be talking to, and then this person say, "Oh yeah, I seen your shows." Yep, they recognize Domino already. Yep, they say, I've been watching your shows. I see your shows. Yep. That's all y'all need to know. Some of y'all be seeing my shows. Okay. So I'll be back in New Iberia one day. Okay. So anyway, if some of you folks from New Iberia still watch the Domino 7 show out there, okay. So yeah, all right. So yes, indeed, I'm totally excited. Got my digital camera. I can live stream on YouTube. I also live stream on Facebook, and I can live stream on Instagram and stuff like that. But unfortunately, I cannot live stream with the comments and stuff like that because I wanted to. I don't know how them people show the comments on YouTube. Put Instagram videos on YouTube and stuff like that. I don't know how they do that. How do they do that? So somebody's a genius. Okay. I did watch. Y'all remember Boots from the Flavor of Love? Yep. So I mean, Bucky and Boots were friends at first. I don't know what the hell happened for them to be beefing like that. Okay. So Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing bad about Boots, cause you know what? I love Boots, no matter how she is. You know, y'all know Boots from the Flavor of Love. Even though she kind of upset me when I seen her yelling at Crazy and stuff like that. Well, never mind. I don't want to talk about Crazy. Okay, I have nothing against her. It's just that I don't want to bring up her past on that show. You know. Okay, whatever happened on that damn reality show and stuff like that. You know. I won't bring that part up, you know. Okay, even though she was also my favorite, you know. I had a crush on her though, just in case she's watching this. Yeah, I did have a crush on her, you know. And Heather is her real name, you know. She's married with a child, okay, and I'm very happy for her, you know. Very very happy. You understand? Okay. All right, so anyway, this very special vlog, you know, that I'm making right now, thinking about Megan, cause you know what, I will tell you, every time I think about Megan, I be seeing her, you know, I look outside, there she is, go across the street and talk to her and stuff like that, you know. So I don't know if I should talk about this person or not, and I don't even know the guy, you know. Okay. I'm not talking about her baby's daddy, you know. So she got 3 kids from the same man, you know. So anyway, we're not gonna go into that detail. I'm talking about a friend of hers, you know, a good friend of hers, you know. Okay. So Megan though, she have a friend though. I think that's her best male friend or whatever, or something like that, you know. Man friend, I should say, you know. So I never met the guy. The guy name is Brian. I don't know if I'm going to allow him in the studio or not. I don't know. I literally don't know, honestly. You know, I really don't know if I will allow him here or not, because you know I got a question mark about him. You know, because based on something and something and something and stuff like that. It ain't nothing Megan told me, you know. Okay, but I might take a chance on him, you know. But we'll have to see though. Okay, we'll have to see. But you know, so I definitely have to be careful, you know, cause like I said, you know, it doesn't matter what color somebody is, you know. It doesn't matter what color somebody is, you know. Honestly, okay. So yeah, all right. So Megan, I cannot wait for her to come here. You know, I literally can't wait. You know, yeah, I should have been invited Megan in here since last year. You know, okay. So Megan, on another hand, I can hardly wait for her to be on the show. I really can't wait. Lord knows I can't wait, cause you know Megan, I love her. You know, so just in case she move away like she claims she will. You know, she said she's supposed to leave, but technically hope not, you know. While I'm still living in this area and stuff like that, I don't want her to leave, you know. Okay. And Shamika, my best friend, you know. Love her so much. Can't stand her boyfriend. I can't stand him, you know. Because well, we're not going to get into to that detail either. Okay. Yep. So, you know, I don't know who watches this, you know. So the couple of weeks ago, got into it with him and stuff like that. You know, he knows I can't stand him or whatever. I'm like, let me tell y'all something. If a person don't like you, don't waste you're trying to make somebody like you or try to be down with them or whatever. You know, it doesn't matter though. You can't make somebody like you, okay? But there's some people that don't like Domino 7, you know. There's some people that don't like Domino, you know. But who cares, you know? I don't care no more. I got a show. I got a roof over my head, clothes on my back, food on the table, and stuff like that. That's something to thank God for, you know. And plus, thank God for social media, you know. Sometimes social media is a blessing and a curse at the same time. Honestly, the reason why I say that because some people do some wicked stuff on social media. Cause I remember one time I don't recall what year this was, There was two guys, I should say, was doing the Facebook Live, and somebody tracked that person down and shot him. You know. Hmm. And then another one that was in the car. You know. While he was doing a Facebook Live, tracked him, and then he started shooting at his car. You know. It's not here in New Orleans though. It's somewhere else. I don't recall what cities it was in. I don't know if it was Pittsburgh, Cleveland, Compton, Los Angeles, Boston, or anywhere. You know, I literally don't know. Okay. And by the way, I spoke to Nyla today through text message. I told her I would love for her and her baby to be a guest on my show. You know, yes, I sure did. You know, I definitely would love for them two to be guests on my show. You know, so yeah, though I can hardly wait, and it'll be my first time ever meeting Nyla's baby. You know, Nyla's daughter, I should say. You know, her little girl. Okay. I would love to invite Brittany over here, you know, Brittany, and I would love to meet AJ, but I already met Zelly the other day, you know. Think it was a Saturday or something. No. I think last Sunday or something like that, you know. Well, I don't know, cause I remember I met Zelly, cause you know, so that was that's my friend Erica's youngest son, okay. Or should I say my stepson? Well, should be stepson as far as that. Yes, indeed. You know. Okay. So as far as Erica goes, though, I mean, I'm gonna try to get on my show. You know. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You know, Erica is fine. She got a big old booty. Yes, indeed, yo. Yes, indeed. You know, I love Erica too. You know. But who I want to invite on my show is Dominique Henry, aka Diamond Dior. You know, I sure would love for her to be on the show, especially her sister Brittany Moore. Okay, I haven't met Brittany Moore yet. You know, I haven't. You know, but I met this girl Brittany. I don't know if she want me to mention her last name. You know, so she have a little girl too. Okay, her name is Bailey. I don't know if she want me to mention her child name, you know. And I'm going to try my best to invite Danny over too, if I can, you know. Okay? So I sure hope Brittany is not camera shy, you know. Okay? So let's hope and pray that she's not camera shy, you know. Thank God Nyla is not camera shy, you know. All right, so. And another thing I want to tell y'all, unfortunately, I will not go to Riley's graduation, but there's going to be a graduation party. You know, there's going to be a graduation party, and I'll be there. And I'm only going to do it on Facebook Live only. Okay, all right. Unfortunately, no YouTube Live. You know, I'm only going to do it on Facebook Live only. Okay. And I'm gonna do recordings and put the video clips in and stuff like that. I hope y'all will watch that. You know. So y'all subscribe to my channel and y'all watch it. Even if it's reruns, you ain't gonna miss a beat. You are not gonna miss a beat. Okay. All right, and I gotta clean up. I'm gonna go downstairs and scrub the toilets and stuff like that, and probably mop the floors. But actually, I'm gonna what I'm gonna do? Cook spaghetti tomorrow. Okay, so I'll probably do a YouTube and a or a Facebook Live. I'll be cooking spaghetti. You know. Okay, so we'll see how that's gonna go. Okay. All right. So hopefully I don't have to reschedule Megan to be on the Dominoes 7 show. Okay. I'll try my best to upload the episode when I can. All right. So thank y'all for watching. Okay. So on this vlogmas night, not vlogmas night. Okay. This Dominoes 7's nighttime vlog. You know, Dominoes 7's nighttime vlog. Okay. All right, so I'm about to do a YouTube live probably, but nah, I'm about to go clean the toilet downstairs and stuff like that. Okay, and I'm out the floors tomorrow. Okay, thank y'all for watching this Domino Sevens vlog, nighttime vlog. All right. And Megan, if you're watching this right now, well, I don't think Megan watching this though. But I don't know who watching this. You know, whoever's watching this, I cannot wait for Megan to be on the show. And Megan, if you watching this, you probably in my living room watching this video right now. Well, whenever, okay, it's probably Saturday or something like that, or whatever, or whenever you're watching this. Megan, you're probably watching this right now. I can hardly wait for you to be on my video. You're probably watching this video on your phone. Who knows? Or you sitting on my sofa in my living room watching this video. I hope you are. That'll be amazing. That'll be awesome. Totally. Okay? All right, thank y'all for watching. And Megan, if you're watching this, thank you for watching too. Okay, maybe it's years from now. And any of Megan's family members, thank you for watching too. Okay, Megan is gonna be on my show. I can't wait. All right, bye y'all.